Alright, here we have a power vent water heater with side caps. They're connected to the heat loop of an Aquatherm on the inside. We just replaced the water heater only. We purged out the water from the heat loop. We've also checked the temperature on the mixing valve, make sure that it's appropriate. We added the expansion tank that was not there formerly. We put the condensate discharge line, and it was a great install. We're very pleased, very happy, and we have a happy customer. We even, as a courtesy, installed a new thermostat for her. This was the former one that was found, and she's back in business. She has heat. Thank you.